My name is Bobby, and I work with small businesses in the government marketplace. You're listening to FedBiz’5. Get informed, get connected, and get results on everything government contracting. Welcome back to the FedBiz’5, where we unpack the latest in federal contracting with concise insights and just enough wit to keep it interesting. It's me, your favorite GovCon host, Bobby Testa, and today we are going to do a cannonball into the fast-growing pool of AI and government procurement. That's right, AI is no longer just the stuff of sci-fi and Netflix thrillers. It's now helping federal agencies fight fraud, sort your mail, protect national security, and yes, it's even answering calls at the IRS. Now we're talking about AI as a $2 trillion tech trend now sitting at the head table of the federal acquisition buffet. So grab your capability statements and let's break down 5 need-to-know insights that keep your business smarter than a chatbot with clearance. Now let's start with the obvious. AI is no longer just an emerging technology in the federal procurement space. It's here, it's operational, and it has a badge. The Government Accountability Office reports over 200 active applications across federal agencies. That's everything from the DoD's Project Maven, which helps analyze drone footage faster than a teenager scrolling TikTok, to the IRS chatbot, which somehow manages to answer questions with less attitude than a live rep, to even USPS using AI to sort your mail, which frankly might be the most impressive feat of all, considering my handwriting. Even NIH is using AI to predict disease outbreaks because apparently we needed another reason to read WebMD and panic. Bottom line, agencies aren't testing AI. They're using it. And if your company is offering AI solutions or even adjacent capabilities, it is time to get loud. Next, let's talk about the budget. Between the CHIPS and Science Act, multiple executive orders, and the AI and Government Act, Uncle Sam has made one thing clear. He's spending big on smart tech. Now the FY25 budget, packed with AI investments, especially in agencies like the DoD, VA, and NIH. Here's the kicker. It's not just about building the next Terminator-style bot. Agencies are buying AI-enabled tools like chatbots, predictive analytics, and image recognition. Also integration and training services, cloud and data infrastructure that supports machine learning, even ethical advisory services. Yes, the government wants its robots to play nice. And for small to mid-sized contractors, opportunities knocking loudly. Large primes are actively looking for nimble, specialized partners. If you've got something unique, go show it off. Just don't call it disruptive innovation. That term has been through enough. Now, if you thought AI would somehow dodge regulation, adorable. Because as agencies get smarter with tech, they're also getting stricter about how the tech operates. Translation, your AI solution needs to be more than a demo video and buzzwords. You'll need to handle data like it's classified, because it might be. Make your AI explainable. If your algorithm's answer to why is just because, you're in trouble. Prove your tech plays well with others, especially frameworks like FedRAMP, CMMC, and NIST SP 853. Also, show a little human touch. Literally, many contracts now require human in-the-loop functionality, meaning someone with a pulse should be able to intervene if things go sideways. Also, prepare for new AI-related FAR clauses because they're coming, and they'll probably be dense enough to make your legal team cry. Here's your cheat sheet. Make your AI transparent, secure, and responsibly managed. In other words, the opposite of a black box. And hopefully, nothing like your fantasy football league scoring algorithm. Now, you might have the smartest AI solution in town, but if agencies cannot find you, it's like hiding Wi-Fi in a bunker. Your SAM and DSBS profiles should clearly show off your AI capabilities. No jargon marathons, just smart, accessible descriptions of what you offer and how it helps. Same with your capability statement. If algorithmic innovation is in your first sentence, but nowhere do you say what problem you solve, you are doing it wrong. Now, if you're wondering how to know which agencies are buying AI, where those opportunities are surfacing, or who your competitors are, This is where tools like FedBiz’5 quietly earn their keep. It's not about selling, it's about seeing. With platforms like that, contractors like yourself can track pre-solicitation activity, spot expiring contracts, identify AI-adjacent trends, and yes, even see which contracting officers are sniffing around the AI buffet before it gets crowded. It's the difference between throwing darts in the dark and showing up with a strategy and a flashlight. So yes, AI is reshaping the game, but this is still federal contracting. And in federal contracting, relationships matter more than your algorithm's F1 score. Want to be part of the AI conversation? Start showing up before the RFP. That means responding to sources sought in RFIs, attending industry days, building connections with agency innovation offices and tech-forward contracting officers, and getting involved in pilot programs or working groups. Also, don't overlook strategic teaming. Many primes are looking for subcontractors with AI chops, but they won't find you unless you make the first move. AI may be advanced, but your outreach strategy should be simple. Be proactive, be relevant, and be clear about how you solve problems. AI isn't some distant future concept anymore. It's not floating in the ether next to blockchain buzz or NFT regret. It's here. It's scanning emails. It's reviewing videos. It's even making sure your tax questions get semi-coherent responses at 2 a.m. The question isn't if agencies are using AI, it's whether they're using yours. So let's do a quick recap. AI is deeply embedded across federal agencies. Budgets are real and growing, especially in defense, health, and logistics. Compliance, it isn't optional, but it is navigable. Visibility is everything, and showing up early beats showing up flashy every time. Well, that's it for this episode of the FedBiz’5. If you're breaking into AI, expanding your tech offering, or just want to know where the money's moving, start smarter and start sooner. And maybe start with a tool like FedBiz’5 that helps you actually connect the dots instead of playing the guessing game. Until next time, stay proactive, stay visible, and if your AI system ever becomes sentient, please remember to loop in legal. See you next time. Thank you for listening to the FedBiz’5, where you get informed, get connected, and get results on everything government contracting. Today's podcast is made courtesy of FedBiz Access, government contracting made simple. Visit them at FedBiz’5, where you can find all the FedBiz’5 podcasts, related blogs, government contracting news, and of course, information on the various products and services that can assist your business in becoming visible to the government buyers. FedBiz Access can be reached by calling them at 888-299-4498.